Hi, I'm Carrie.
And I'm Jordan. We are going to help talk about reflection.
I think reflection is looking at yourself.
I think reflection is looking at water and seeing yourself. Reflection can be something we do in our heads or something we do by talking or writing. In this class, you will think about writing and you will talk about writing, but you will also write about writing. You will write reflection to help you think about how and what you are writing and to develop
metacognition.
Sometimes you will write to think about what you already know. We can call this thinking about prior knowledge. Bringing up this old knowledge can be called preparatory
reflection.
It gets us ready to tackle a new task. When you take what you know already and use it for something new, it can be called recontextualization, because you might not use it exactly the same way you did before.
You read about other kinds of reflection.
Reflection in action is writing about your writing process as it is happening. This helps you think about the choices you are making as you write and the tools you use to write.
We can also call this monitoring.
Reflection in action or monitoring might happen in the form of writing logs or draft letters. It helps you think about what you have already done and about how you would like to complete a task. Another kind of reflection you will write is called constructive reflection. When you write about a project after it is all completed and explain how you worked through the project and why you presented it the way you did, you are doing constructive reflection. Think about the word construction and about how you are building knowledge about writing and sharing that knowledge as you complete each project. Projection is another way we reflect, but we look forward instead of looking backward. When we project, we think about what we know, but might we use in a future writing task. We will use projections to help us connect between writing assignments. Finally, reflection in presentation happens when you write reflection that goes with a body of your work to help your audience understand how you see all of the pieces fitting together, you will write this kind of reflection for your final portfolio. Sometimes we will just think about what we are writing. Sometimes we will talk about what we are writing. And sometimes we will write about what we are writing, so that we can learn how to write and think about what we and understand better why we write the way we do. Illustrated by Jordan. Narrated by Jordan and Carrie.
Any questions?